In this video, we're going to discuss the instance where you have a website that you have forgotten the password to, and you do not currently have a keeper record associated with that website. So let's begin. This is a website that I have not used very often, and I have no idea what my password is. So I'll select forgotten password. I'll import the email that I need Halo to send the forgot password email to. Okay, so Halo has sent me my password reset link. So let's go through the process of now resetting my password using Keeper Password Manager to help generate a new set of credentials. So I'll select password reset link. This is pretty common for all websites. Okay, so Keeper has now made its way in and is asking us to create a new record. So I will select create new record. As you can see, it has already filled in my login ID. It's always good to check because on some websites it may be different. It has already generated password for me, and it has already associated with the login screen. So I will hit save. Now it has filled in my new password and re-entered my new password for me. And I can select return to the sign-in screen now. Once I return to the sign-in screen, Keeper will ask me if I want to autofill my login, and I will select yes, and then I will log in. As you can see now, my password credentials have been reset, and I am now into this portal, and I did not have to create a password of my own. It is all stored in my web vault. If you're an existing customer that needs technical support with your setup with Keeper, please reach out in one of our normal service avenues. You can email us, call us, or visit us in our customer portal. Interested in partnering with ProSource? Email us at sales@getprosource.com, call us on the phone, or visit our website, www.getprosource.com.